Hi, I have an appointment.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today. Oh, excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
Hello, mate. Do you do puncture repairs?
Mi amigo, véndame un par de zapatos, hágame el favor, que sean estos. ¿Este zapato lo tiene mi amigo?
Hi, excuse me, I had an appointment for today. An appointment for today. Hi, excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
Hi, I'm just here to check in for my appointment. Hi, I have an appointment today. He's new. Sorry.
And then like it's like right you know, but at the same time I don't know because
Can you hold the fucking light straight?